Students, okay students, let's move to the next question, that is, what are the points to be considered while selecting the alignment of canal? So what is an alignment of canal? It is nothing but locating the center line on a plan and fixing the same on the ground. Whatever we are planning is done with respect to the center line, and that too on a plan, okay, on a topographical plan. And it also includes the fixing of the same on the ground. So what points must be considered for selecting the alignment of a canal? Very first point is alignment should be taken by the direct route to the command area. Why? Because direct route will prevent your transmission losses, which usually includes an indirect route. Suppose the route is indirect, moving not directly to the command area, obviously it will take a travel distance, a more travel distance, which will ultimately going to cause a transmission loss. So that must not happen. So second point, as far as possible, the canal should be aligned on a ridge. Now what is ridge? Ridge or a ridge canal is that canal which flows along the